Good morning. We're here today in Northumberland. We're on the A686 road, which heads between Alston and Catton Bridge in the middle of nowhere, so quite difficult to tell you exactly where we are. But we're going to head off on a short walk just around the local area. We're going to head from Cupola Bridge, which is where we are now, up to Catton Beacon for beautiful views across the surrounding area, and then we're going to come back via the beautiful Staward Gorge, which is behind us there. So it's a lovely day, the sun is shining. Let's go.
Cupola Bridge is a three-arch stone bridge built in 1778 across the River Allen, a tributary of the River Tyne. The name Cupola represents the lead smelting furnaces once widespread in the local area. Just upstream from here is Waters Meet, the confluence of the rivers East Allen and West Allen. The Allen has been polluted from mining activity dating back centuries, with the ores released influencing the river habitat. Recent conservation work includes the removal of weirs and releasing of voles.
We've now come up the first bit of hill and we're on an old railway line which would have been used for industry several hundred years ago. This has been abandoned for quite a long time, so it's not in the kind of state that you can walk along it. You can walk along a very short section which is a farm track, but there are other bits that are really, really overgrown. So it's a bit of a shame, but at least we can enjoy this short section today, and we'll send the drone up for a little look along as well.
Catton Beacon is the high point in the area at 337 metres high. It boasts views across the East Allen and the West Allen valleys, and also north to Langley and the Tyne Valley. The transmitters were built in 1975 to serve the rural remote area with television. Signal travels from Pontop Pike across to Allendale town. It also acts as a mobile mast. The woodland surrounding Staward Gorge is a mix of ancient forest with ornamental and managed sections. A large number of trees were felled here during World War II to help with war efforts. These were replaced with fast-growing conifers which affected woodland flora and are now being replaced with native broadleaf species. The footpath varies along the gorge from a wide track to overgrown paths to a steep and narrow section through the rocky outcrops.
So we're about halfway through our walk today. We've gone from Cupola Bridge up to Catton Beacon and now heading back down. We've come down into Staward Gorge and we're about to have a little look at the peel. Now back down into the trees. It's a bit of a shame that it has clouded over today, but it is nice and cool down here and nice and sheltered. So let's go. Staward Peel once stood on a spur of land above the winding gorge. It is believed from remains to have Roman origins, where a peel tower was later built. Over the centuries, it stood as an impregnable fortress, but was later robbed and demolished, with the stone used to build the nearby manor house, and now little remains.
Today we're exploring the southern section of the magnificent Staward Gorge. It has been carved through the sandstone, limestone and shale of the Yoredale group by earlier glaciers and now the River Allen. The river has a limestone pavement bed and lime kilns still stand next to the path, indicating limestone was quarried and lime produced here for construction and farming.